Absolutely till date, no political connections have come forward. There are 6 women and there are 14. There are 14 men. 12 cases of duping the victims. In these cases, there are 21 accused persons. We are inquiring into the matter. We have also asked for information from the applicant who has given us the application with his complaint. 2 minibuses, as well as we have seized 2 minibuses, 12 four-wheelers, 4 two-wheelers. Their bank accounts of incriminating persons also have been found and they have been also freezed. The total amount is running to 5 crores and above.
North Goa Police has registered a total of 17 cases till yesterday. In these cases, until now, the North Goa Police has arrested 13 accused persons and more arrests are likely. That most of the money was either paid through cash and in some cases it was also paid through bank account. Total accused we believe are around 18.
What is the cost? How many people? How many men?
7 persons are female of these 18. At this stage is around 45, 44 it is. The Baki, as it is, these numbers are changing on a daily basis as fresh complainants are approaching police.
नहीं, अभी तक ऐसा कोई केस इन लोगों के इन्वेस्टिगेशन इंट्रोगेशन में नहीं आया है जिसमें ये है कि इन्होंने कहीं किसी को जॉब दिलवाया है। कम्प्लीटली फेयर और ओपन तरीके से की जा रही है। इसके अंदर में कोई भी किसी लेवल का इंटरफेरेंस पुलिस की इन्वेस्टिगेशन में नहीं है। अभी फिलहाल एसआईटी स्थापित करने का इमिडिएटली कोई डिसिजन नहीं हुआ है।
कॅश फॉर जॉबांच्या केशीत अटक केल्ल्या दीपश्री सावंताक फोंडे जिल्लो आनी सत्र न्यायालयान 14 दिसांची न्यायालयीन कस्टडी दिल्या, जाल्यार श्रुती प्रभू गांवकराक 6 दिसांची पुलीस कस्टडी. पुजा नायकाक फोंडे JMFCन जामीन दिल्या उपरांत आतां पणजे पुलिसांनी अटक केल्या. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.